Hi there, welcome to another video on Vibe Code Wiki where I document my Vibe Code expeditions, including struggles and discoveries, no edits. So this video is about a project I came across. It's called NanoClaw. We all know of OpenClaw. In fact, I did a video recently where I ventured into setting up my first OpenClaw for free. By the way, you still can do so for free, irrespective of the model you use, even if it's Claude Code. InstaClaw, a certain project is giving away 3 days of usage for free. You can check it out. I've done a video about that. So now it got all the more interesting after setting up my first OpenClaw. Then I came across a project called Conway Research, which I've done a video about as well. Perhaps more advanced than OpenClaw because that one is perpetual automation by evolving agents where there is no human in the loop. You don't need ape to provide it API keys. It generates its own. It monetizes itself, provides services, and tries to earn. And then from its earning, it's able to pay for compute on its own. No human in the loop. Very interesting project and perhaps more advanced than OpenClaw. If you watch my last video, you'll see how so. So searching further, I came across NanoClaw. It has its own value proposition, which I'll try to discover in the course of this video. Okay, so the site is this one. It's also on GitHub, has already acquired a lot of stars on GitHub. So let's click on Get Started here. So a lightweight alternative to CloudBot or OpenClaw that runs in containers for security. So it's trying to solve security issues that may affect OpenClaw usage, especially for newbies and stuff like that. So based on the narrative here, it mentions lightweight. So it's also lightweight and also security conscious, connects to WhatsApp, has memory, scheduled jobs, meaning that it can run continuously and runs directly on Anthropic's agents SDK. So interesting. Now 14.2k stars, meaning that it's popular, 2,000 forks already. Now when you go here, that's how I arrived on the Twitter. Scroll down and you'd find Twitter here. Okay, so this was built by Quibit. That is likely an AI platform for building. Okay, that's interesting to know. I'm just checking that out because the founder is said to be the founder of Quibit. So I'll be checking this one out as well. Okay, so here, let's see what it has to offer. So it's comparing itself with OpenClaw. Source files 15 versus OpenClaw 3,680. Lines of code 3,900 versus OpenClaw's 400,000. Dependency, so easy to deploy. Config 0 config files. Minutes to understand 8 minutes. OpenClaw 1 to 2 weeks. Security model OS container isolation. OpenClaw application level checks. Architecture, single process plus isolated containers, OpenClaw, single process, shared memory. I don't totally understand that, but here it says what it supports: messaging apps, container isolation, agent swarm, spin up teams of specialized agents that collaborate on complex tasks. First, personal AI to support this. So I don't think that OpenClaw offers that. Considering my small interaction with OpenClaw, it appears to be one agent. But here you can implement a swarm. Per group memory, each group has its own. So it may be possible to, to institute agent swarms. I'm just thinking logically, considering it's not making use of a shared memory, I would assume. So per group, each group has its own Claude MD memory, isolated file system, and runs in its own container sandbox. So that improves security as well. Scheduled tasks, recurring jobs that run Claude and message you back, morning briefings, weekly reviews, and more. Scaled system, extend functionality without bloat, add Gmail. Okay, we all know that. Skills is basically the power of Claude bot as well. AI native setup, no installation wizards. Claude code guides everything. Dependencies, auth, containers, services. Web access, search the web, fetch content, and browse pages. Your assistant can research anything. So I'll experiment with it, by the way, by setting one up. Even as a newbie, I was able to set an OpenClaw up with InstaClaw. I'm sure there will be simple solutions, one-click solutions eventually, which I'll research. But otherwise, I would tell OpenClaw to set it up for me. No, I'm not decided yet. We will find out. It looks like Claude can easily set this up. Claude can easily set this up. So, okay, so, or maybe you can even, chat with it directly on Claude. No, it says you can connect WhatsApp, Telegram as well. So that simplifies matters. Okay, so start in 3 lines, git clone this GitHub, cd into it, call Claude, then run setup. Claude handles everything. So it looks like very simple setup. So I'll try to set this up, and let's see, how does it superficially looking, I'm not sure. Although it's likely that you can use other LLMs, you would simply need to tell Claude to set that up for you, provide API key, and that will be all. So that was the situation as well with OpenClaw. When I set it up, I ended up changing to mini max, so it will be possible to do that with this. Interesting stuff. Let's look at quick start. So this is quick start. So I'll do another video about this. It looks interesting as well, but so far the most interesting I've seen is Conway. So because that one is modeled to run by itself without perpetual expenditure. So it's modeled to make an income by itself, automatically pay for compute, and keep evolving. So, but just interesting times in the vibe code AI programming space. I'll be ending this video now. Consider subscribing to the channel, and also you can also reach me if you need to out of this portal, Vibe Code Wiki. Socials, also Vibe Code Wiki on TikTok and X, and also YouTube. It's time to take action. The evidence is there with all this, evolution in the AI space. So take action. Stay awesome.